I'm Tekka Thompson, farm to table chef, and today I'm going to be taking you through the steps of how to tell if there's a gopher in your garden. So I actually have fresh gopher mounds here to perfectly example. So you can tell that there's a gopher in my garden by the fact that there's fresh mounds of dirt, almost if I have placed them there. This is done last night, so as you can see there's fresh work here. And what he does basically is he comes through and roots up the fresh dirt. I haven't found his hole yet, but he does fast work in destroying your pre-planted plants. So here he's got a hold of a green bean vine, as you can see, completely uprooted it, and so this one is done. And he'll go about this, urban gardens, big gardens, wherever he can find, and root up your garden. So that is how to tell if there's a gopher in your garden. I'm Tekka Thompson. Thanks for watching.